Hello, this is Ralph Weichel with the Corporation for Positive Change. Now we're going to wish you a fantastic day. Allow me to take this opportunity and extend a personal invitation to you, your teammates, peers, colleagues, to join us in an 11-week program, The Power of Appreciative Inquiry Online. For 11 weeks, we'll be spending 2 hours every week exploring the fundamentals of appreciative inquiry. For those of you who are not familiar with appreciative inquiry, it is one of the foundational tools that are used in many of the strength-based methodologies today. By attending the class, or the workshop I should say, you'll learn how to create an environment that brings out the best in those around you. You'll learn how to build a team that is cohesive, a team that can challenge, and a team that can bring its best every day. You'll be introduced to a new way of asking questions that engage and foster curiosity in their responses, that also allow the exploration of new ideas that previously have not been thought of. Through this workshop, you'll be able to connect new dots, new ideas, and more importantly, you'll be able to implement them. Implement them so that you too can make a difference and your team can make a positive difference. Appreciative inquiry is the basis for positive change. In the world that we live in today, where more change is only likely, positive change can be a real energizer. So come join us, explore what's possible, and more importantly, meet your fellow travelers on the road to positive change. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you.